give a shout out to Corbin Plays, and he also tipped me on this tip right here. He's given me a lot of tips on my comments, so shout out to him. I'll pop the tip on the screen. So, I was being stupid, and, I used the thing from right here. But, that's just stupid, right? So, so this time we have to do it straight ahead. So, right here. Yeah, this is where we left off, so. Alright, right there. Okay. And boom. Okay, so that opens, and then we can also do this one. I don't know if we need this one yet, but go ahead and do it anyways. So, where is it coming from? Excuse me. Yeah, Wednesdays and Fridays is what's it called? Horror game days. Hello. Are you gonna work or not? Right there. Okay, that should work now. Okay, there we go. That's good. Okay, so yeah, let's go. So I think this opens. I'm scared. What if I get jump scared? So, this looks very scary. Make sure to subscribe. Just gonna remind you one more time that I am, what's it called? Gonna be doing 20 subscribers. I'm gonna do a face reveal and a face cam. So be prepared for that. It's in here. Oh, it's boarded up. That does not look pleasant. Wait, what if we could? Destructive tool to remove planks. Okay, that's fine. So we gotta find like a crowbar, I guess, but this is not Hello Neighbor, buddy. The end is here. What do you mean end? I just destroyed a bunch of chairs. We need to find a destructive tool. This is the naughty corner. That's cool. Oh, right here. Does that work? Hope it does. Wait, where's the drone at? Drone, where are you? I guess we might not find that, but what if we put it? We can't open that door. I'm kind of scared. I don't know what's gonna happen to me. Like, I'm not very good at horror games at all. Bro, these chairs are so sensitive. I think we just need to get a yellow key card for that. Okay, this looks kind of weird, not gonna lie. But we might need, how do you open those doors? I don't know, but we'll find out eventually, hopefully. I don't know how to get through that door. Let's go. We've already got that. I don't know what to do in this situation. Do we need that key card? Because I saw a blue key card in here. Maybe we can get that blue key card. And maybe we could use that. You never know. Like, anything could happen in horror games. That. Need a bunch of crap to unlock these doors. Wait a minute. What is that? Oh! It's the lights. That makes sense now. Wait, so, yeah, that makes tons of sense now. That makes me more scared, though. What is this? What kind of ball? Oh, it's an egg. You idiot. Who is that pink dude? No. I refuse to go over to the pink guy. Another egg. Do we need these eggs or something? I don't know. We can go down the slide. No, we can't. I'm afraid to go over there, to be honest with you. Let me jump. We can jump. I don't want to go over that weird pink dude. What if it just jump scares me? Now that's scary. Another egg. Okay. Another egg. Ball pit closed. What's in the... Is unbelievably feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. How many eggs do I have now? I have like 3 or 4. Hey, buddy. How you doing? That guy scares me a lot. So we unlock those lights. But how many eggs do we need, which is my question. Bro, quit. How do you get in here? Mike and fuzzling. Wait. Let me see if it just works in here, because it didn't work in there. Maybe we need to get a yellow key card. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. Maybe it just doesn't go back here. I don't know. But... Ooga booga, booga oga. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's happening. I guess we need to find the Easter eggs in here, because I feel like there wouldn't be Easter eggs anywhere else. There's one. Yeah, there's one. Give me that. I think we have like 4. How do you have an inventory or something? Just let me open it. Give me it now. There we go. I think they're probably all in here, I would say. So we gotta look everywhere for these things. They're probably in here, because there's already been like 4 in here, so I don't feel like they would be anywhere else, to be honest. So, unlock. What did that unlock? Can we get on the side now? No, that's stupid. What did we unlock? All I know is we unlocked something. Oh, that. We can go on that thing? That's not, maybe that's not what we unlocked, but let's go up here. We're unlocking new things, at least. I'm signaling my drone to come in here. Where is the drone? The drone just left me for some reason. Like, where did the drone go? The drone is like gone. Drone, you get your butt in here. Sit here. Go right there. Do you not understand what right there means? Is he stuck? He's literally stuck. This is not good. He can't be stuck. Go over there. What do you want me to do? Right there. Now. And now means now. Where did he just go? Did bro just disappear or something? I don't know what's happening. Maybe we just... I don't know what's going on. What things do we need to do here, bucko? Go in here. Right now. Bro. So let me find the Easter eggs. Easter egg, Easter egg. Let's just look for the Easter eggs for now, and we'll figure that out later. There's definitely probably gonna be a part 3 now. Because, you know, I suck at this game. It'll be fun once I get the gist of this. I still don't know what that green thing was for, like the thing up there. I still don't need to know. I want to know what that was for, but we'll probably never know. Hey, what's up? So we need to find 6 eggs to get your prize. Is that all the eggs we need? I'll feed in your bird for you. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, that's 3 eggs, I think. Is that all you got? You can get a lot more than that, bucko. Okay, that one. You can get a prize. Find eggs. Okay, we need more eggs. Eggs. Oh, Eggo. Lego my Eggo. Where is it? We need to find it somewhere. How do you get the drone in here is my confuzzling question. Corbin, I need a tip on that. How do you get the drone in here? I need a huge tip. You would just please comment. Cannot find anything. This is so confusing. I'm so confused. Do we need like different key? I think we need different key cards, but I don't know where we find different key cards. We need to find an egg. That's one thing we need to find. Bro, why won't this thing go? I can go anywhere, but I cannot find any of this. We're going back in here. Oh no. What I need to find is another egg, and that, you know, that's probably not gonna happen. Because I cannot find an egg. Egg. Oh, egg, you know you want to come out. Bro, where is this egg at? Where is it? Maybe it's up here. Is it up here? No, can't be up there. Destructive tool. Oh, it's in here. What in the world? How did that just happen like that? Okay, I'm proud. Go right there. So I'm just being an idiot, I guess. Yay, I did something. I don't know what I did. What did I do? Don't know. I need you to do stuff for me. What was I looking for again? I already forgot. I need to find an egg. Where is the last egg at? Egg, 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 egg. You need to come in clutch here. You know, this is your time. It was right. You gotta be kidding. I'm such an idiot. Just go in there, bro. What is that? Claim your reward. It's a key card. Is it a yellow key card? I'm not for sure. I think it is. So let's go in here. Let's test it. Okay, it worked. But how does this open? That's my problem. In here. Alright, drone, come here. In here. Oh, it worked. Could I have just done that in the first place? Hey! Go, now. Okay. I need to figure out how that opens, to be honest, but, you know. Do we need, a yellow key card. Oh, I think we need an orange. No, that's not it, yeah. So, I don't know what the yellow one was for, to be honest. It did something. Come break that. Break it! Put it like here. I need to just break this glass for me. There we go. So I need to figure out. Oh, it's a hammer and it's that's what it unlocked. Distraction at 1. Cool. I mean, I don't care, but we got a hammer. Yeah, boy. Okay, I'm proud. We're making progress. We're about to lock the secret wall. And here we go. Let's go. Okay, so we made it in here. Don't know what this is. No, not parkour. Do we seriously need parkour to do this? Emergency stop. Okay, what could possibly... What does that mean? Press interactive's funny. Okay, that's just weird. I don't accept that kind of weird stuff in my place. So, was your collar? Oh no. Your collar was orange, I'm pretty sure. Purple, but I don't know where purple is. That's confuzzling. Why isn't purple on here? Why are they all green? Oh, they got him. Oh! That's what it was. Okay, that makes so much sense now. Okay, so we got that. No, why is it moving? Why is the bird here? Hey, bird. You? No. 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 Ah, bird. Run, get out. How do we make it out? Bird, get your butt out. Why is he running? Why is he coming at me? No! I'm dead. No. Bro, I'm getting chills. I'm dead. I'm basically done. The bird's gonna run after me and kill me. I'm done. No, it's game. That's game. Oh, bird. Do not kill me. You idiotic bird. What are you doing? What the heck? No. You're freaky. No. He's getting closer. I'm backing away. I'm out of here. No. What did I get the freaking bird? That idiotic bird. Oh my goodness, bro. What is going on? And this right now. There's going to be a part 3. I don't know how to beat this at all. Wait. Where's my shot? Go, Drum! This is your shot. You can clutch up right here. Go, Drum, go! Go! We're out! Go! Jump! No, get it! Out! Go, run! You idiot bird! Get out! No, we're done. Game. Dang it! Bird, I hate you. No, we're done. No, that's game. The bird is gonna kill me. No. Oh no. Oh. No. I can't believe it. Hut. Hi. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Part 3 hopefully is better. I don't even know what just happened, but I'll see you guys in the next one.